Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase are bringing you the latest now on entertainment and dancehall news. Remember, man, I want me to remind you to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and to leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now, viewers and subscribers, Buju Banton has secured a multi-million-dollar contract with clothing brand Superem. Viewers, fans of the Gargamel, big achievement, viewers and subscribers. Now, recently we see Buju put out a post on his IG page. Buju did that rock one of the Superem t-shirt, them viewers and subscribers. People just appreciate maybe Buju just like the t-shirt and just wear it. You get me as viewers and subscribers. But later on in the week we realized no, there was a collaboration between Buju Banton camp and the Superem clothing label, viewers and subscribers. A new t-shirt drop, Buju face on it, and the words Superem. Ever stand firm or stand strong. You know what I mean? A line from out of Buju Banton song, viewers and subscribers. It's a good look. Superem is definitely one of the brands associated with the North American hype beast movement. Yeah, that whole luxury vibe there. Some people too have it say the Superem t-shirt is a very expensive t-shirt. Yeah, it is and it is not. The thing is, with the Superem clothing label now, what them do is them kind of limit the production from whatever them make. That added to the fact say the thing them sell out really fast. So some people even sleep outside all night just for there at the store at the particular time when the store got open. It's a whole vibe in North America when something are released, whether an album, a shoes, a new phone, a new shirt from Superem. And we have to add the fact too, Superem are one of the only clothing brands right now who still have fans that line up at the door. I wait upon the release of the thing them. People don't really line up out of the door of Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Just saying. But they will line up outside of a Superem store. As I tell you now, at the resale value of this merchandise, the fact is the t-shirt retail for about $45 or somewhere $55, somewhere near about. Not that expensive, even though about $5 and that Jamaican for a white t-shirt and mark Superem. But the thing is, as I say, limited production, so it's almost like every t-shirt is limited edition. Plus, when you go buy one, them only allow you to purchase your size and only one single shirt in your size. So that now, when it's sold out and them only make them white t-shirt at a certain time of year, so that create a high demand. Even a Buju shirt where them are gonna make, them are make a limited amount. So the people them want them have to go wait outside of the store for cop them. Then when you cop them now, you can get to resell it, and that is where the price goes up dramatically, because nobody can get it nowhere else again, because Superem will not be printing anymore until next year the same time when them release them. So if you want one, you have to buy it from somebody who already have it, and them can tell you any price they want to tell you. So we see Superem t-shirts are retail for 2 bills, 3 bills for a white t-shirt, 3 bills, 4 bills, 40 grand for a white tees. And not normal. So for Buju Banton viewers and subscribers being associated with a brand of this magnitude, and the fact that Buju is a superstar in reggae music, icon in a dancehall, yeah, man, we know say as soon as it is made available to the public, okay, I don't know, Superem have online stores, they have stores in North America, they have stores in Japan, and as you know, majority of the places where Superem have a clothing store, dancehall and reggae music, big, either in the city or the continent where the store is located. So it's a win-win for both the artists and the clothing brand viewers and subscribers. Being associated with anybody where they're on a certain level, it really do good for you as an artist, or if you use a brand as a company, it definitely do whole for you. We don't know if Superem collaborate with other reggae or dancehall artists. So this is the untapped market for them. The fact that the Superem, the clothing brand, is weird. Right across the diaspora, right across the world, people wear the brand. People have a problem with the brand. People love the brand. The brand has collaborated with even major brands. Superem collaborated with Nike. Them collaborate with Louis Vuitton. You name it. Them collaborate with artists And this is not a nuance in entertainment. Musicians and clothing brand, entertainers, on a whole, whether he's a athlete, a movie star, or a musician, even a poet, even a painter, association with brands and clothing companies, it happened for years, maybe even centuries. So viewers and subscribers, the fact that Buju have the influence and Superem have the marketing ability is a win for also the reggae genre. Because remember, as I'm going to tell you, a line from one of Buju Banton big song them on the t-shirt as well, alongside a picture of Buju. So it's a good look. Definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers. And I mean, I'm glad to see Buju forward out and the whole heap of endorsements them are rolling. Gargamel do it. Legend in the game, living legend. Me and Massacre drop a track. He definitely go for man like Buju Banton, viewers and subscribers. Them man a living legend, walking icon. Yeah, I'm glad to see, as I say, him forward out. And as what them that say, no, we don't even want to use that saying. Them, you have a saying where them that say, what do you want to see is I give it unto such. But you don't know. Buju them a rasta, we're not going to use that saying there. We're going to say, what fear, fear. So all if you're missing out for the scene for a number of years, what is yours is yours. When you're forward out, by the blessings of the Most High, we create and control all things. Yeah, I get why you want. I mean, I have to say, Buju is an artist I respect, and as an individual, Mr. Myri is a person I respect as well, because Buju never waste time while incarcerated. Viewers and subscribers, Buju did I go to school and him pass. So I have to say, oh, big up Buju. I have to see him forward out and align himself with the right brands. I see him put on the Long Walk to Freedom tour. I'm always like to see the lineup. Yeah, all the other acts where Buju and him team incorporate in the performance. Because I realize say Buju and him team are weird wagwan in a music in this day and age. We say Coffee forward as a young reggae star and come do our thing. Buju acknowledge our star potential. You know what I mean? We see him link up with Davido. Davido forward to a next leg of the Long Walk to Freedom tour and do him thing, acknowledging say Afrobeat. You must say African man. And Buju definitely I gonna love that, because I must say the man they tell us say the motherland am a place. Yeah, the man they have a track where about the whole Africa. The G say him stop over Sasha Maliland, the city of Aurora, where Selassie come from. Because the whole motherland, the whole Africa, you know what I mean? The whole North Africa, the whole South Africa, the whole Africa. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up the wider world as well. So viewers and subscribers, as I said before, if you see Buju forward out and him and him team align himself with the right brands and make the right moves, just to show you say your experience really teach it wisdom. And Buju really know to conduct himself and move as an artist, as a superstar. You know what I mean? And as I say, I look forward to see more and more endorsements. Because when this pay off, we don't know, maybe Adidas I go forward cross and say, Buju, we need to link up Gargamel, we need something for going, we need to forward over Germany or so. And we need to, you know what I mean, we'll have a conference in the conference room and really reason about this. Yeah, that would be our next big major move, viewers and subscribers. I love the energy in our Wagwan. If you love the energy too, because I know enough Jamaicans know the brand. You know what I mean? Jamaicans are always a follow fashion, always in tune to our fashion, always create our fashion as well, create our own style. Because even if a luxury brand, we have put our thing together in a certain type of way. From what the people must say the Gucci, I did it with the Gucci, but at the same time, me just a rock with look good for me. So at the same time, as a Jamaican, I don't know we have our own style to the thing. Just seeing Buju in the Superem shirt, it give the Superem shirt a whole different vibe. I don't know how. I'm gonna try Buju a wear it. I just that me have to say. Cause the couple picture them I put out, you know, I did a whole different settings. You know what I mean? Urban and Annan, the whole Jamaican vibe, the whole Gargamel vibe, because the whole Spanglers, you know there's something go. So seeing Buju in the t-shirt just get a whole different kind of vibe. So yeah, dancehall and Jamaicans do have their own style and we really have a certain type of influence in a style and fashion. So viewers and subscribers, drop in the comment section, I know feel about the whole reasoning. You know what I mean? Leave a like on the vlog for me, like, or your earbuds and share as well. Click the subscribe icon and then click the bell icon, viewers and subscribers. So important that someone stay notified with all our go on in a dancehall and entertainment pan a whole. You know we do it. We are giving an in-depth look. You know what I mean? And we are say continue reason would be in the comment section. So, you know the thing go. That are the difference what we are bring to our ones. If you like what you hear, but like and subscribe and you know what I mean? Yes, stay tuned for all our one. Whole heap of reason forward. Live, love and prosper, viewers. And I'm out.